Hi, hello. Welcome to KSP Academy. In this last class, we discussed mean concepts clearly. In that direct method, then after that assumption mean method, then after step deviation method, these three things over. Now today we have to discuss the second thing. It comes under median. So I think I was already told you. What do you understand by median, Anna? The median, I think I understand what mid value. Median nothing but a mid value in the given sequence. Let us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the mid value? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the mid value? 2 possibility. If it is number of values are odd, only one mid value. Number of values are even, get 2 mid values. I told you in the very first video. Okay. If you're not clear, please watch previous videos. Please come to this median. You can easily understand one by one. I hope it's very clear. Okay. Now let us, we have to go for what is the median formula. Actually, these cases for a regular data, you can do it for a group data concepts as like mean concept what you did in the group data, how to calculate a median for a given question. Let us we have a formula for median. Let us I'll write the formula for a median formula. So median is equal to something. I should go for other pen. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C suffix F. It's a cumulative frequency. Next frequency F followed by H. This is the formula for median. So I'll go for each and every term to clearly. Actually, here H is a class height or a size of the class. It's very clear. This is a maximum frequency. So maximum frequency in the given problem. Maximum frequency in the given problem. C is a cumulative frequency in the given problem. Actually, cumulative frequency we have to create. So how to create a cumulative frequency? How to find a cumulative frequency? Let us I'll explain the take an example. Or you can write CF is cumulative frequency. Please write it down. Cumulative frequency. N is nothing but the number of observations in the thing. Actually, you can write N is equal to simple sigma Fi. I think the total frequency count is the number of observations. Next, L is lower limit of model class. Lower limit of a model class. This also I'll explain clearly. Model class and TNT. What is the model class? How to calculate a lower limit of the model class. So this is the terms I'll show you. Just before doing that, you need to understand formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by total maximum frequency into class height. Also, what is the model class? How to fix model class in given problem? What is the frequency? What is the cumulative frequency? What is the total count H? I'll show one by one by taking an example for you. Let us I'll go to directly into the example problem. This is an example problem for you. I was taken. It is for my convenience. Monthly consumption of electricity bill in units, 30 units, 40 units, 100 units per monthly consumption you get in electricity bill. So they are taken monthly consumption in the range 65 units to 85 units. How many number of homes you got? 4 homes. The bill is in this between the range. Number of consumers. Any houses lo check. Because number of houses is 5, 85 to 105. Electricity bill range, units range. In this between the units range, 13 houses they got. This is the information they mentioned. So they are asking to calculate median for a given problem. So how to do it is, I think he has to with you a formula first of all. So mode formula m is equal to L plus n by 2 C suffix F cumulative frequency by total frequency into height. This is the formula you know. So one by one, please start applying. The things will clear for to understand very clear. So let us here H is nothing but a class height. What is the class height? 65 to 85. How much? 20. So H value fix it is a 20. Clear or any doubt? Thank you. Next, frequency. F is nothing but a maximum frequency. So maximum frequency out of given. This is a Fi the frequency. Don't right? These are all frequencies. So what is the maximum frequency, Nana? Please go to this 4, 5, 13, 20, 14 like this. How much the maximum frequency? You have to get 20 is a maximum frequency. So you can clearly fix the maximum frequency is 20. So this is called as F. It's called as FU fix. Then after modal class is corresponding the maximum frequency, it is a modal class. So F value how much? It is a 20. The modal class, this is a modal class. The corresponding the maximum frequency, it is a modal class. Modal class is 125 to 145 nano modal class. So this is the lower value. So this is lower. So L is a lower class of a model class. So how much is L value is 125. Please take a maximum frequency. Go to this side. This is a model class. Out of this model class, what is the value of lower value? Lower frequency. So it is 125. So this is the corresponding L. So we got L value from F value. First you fix F. The corresponding you can fix L value, lower cutoff. And after this, we need to concentrate on one more thing parameter, that is N. Short step is N. N is the total number of observations. Actually, I told you N is equal to what? Sigma Fi and sigma Fi. So please, I think you know how to calculate sigma Fi. Simple. This is a frequency. So total frequency, add all these things. 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14 plus 8 plus 4. Or think after adding of all these things, you are going to get the answer is 68. So sigma Fi, N is sigma Fi. The answer is N is equal to 68 for a given problem. Please, you can add 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20, 14. If you add this, you're going to get 6. For time permits, I am directly said the answer is 68. Okay, this is clear. The next very, very important thing is here, the cumulative frequency. So how to calculate cumulative frequency? Please, I'll tell cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. CFI table or column he has to face. He has to create. So how to write this cumulative frequency? Please be concentrate very, very clearly. I'm telling very, very clear step for this. First of all, how to write means the top one asterisk you can copy the answer. Top one you can take asterisk 4. So to make it. Next 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. How much, Nana? Answer is 9. Take first asterisk. Then after 4 plus 5, answer is 9. Next 9 plus 13. How much you get answer? 9 plus 13. Answer is 22. You can write 22 answer. Next 22 plus 20. 42. Get answer. Next 42 plus 14. How much is that? 56. Get answer. Next 56 plus 8. Answer is 64. Good. Next 64 plus 4. The answer is 68. You will get same answer here. The total number of observations are going to get. So default. So 68. This is the way you have to write. Once again, can I explain to you understand very clearly? Okay. You can write 4 asterisks now. Next 4 correspond 4 like this. You come 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 20 42. 42 plus 14 56. 56 plus 8 64. 64 plus 4 68. Corresponding. This you are right. Take add for next section. Like this you can write. So you get cumulative frequency. All these things. But you want required cumulative frequency. What frequency I should take in a given problem? That is the question. So please you take a cumulative frequency. First of all, what is the frequency here? 20. This corresponding top value you can take. This is the cumulative frequency. CF. This is the cumulative frequency for a given problem. The 20 corresponding it's a cumulative. This top you can take is a CF. Cumulative frequency for a given problem. So previous of this one. You should take. So please remember, this is the frequency F. After that, you can make the cumulative frequency table. The corresponding this top you can take. Cumulative frequency CF it is. How much value CF is? Don't take this one. You take this one. 22 you can take answer. So cumulative frequency is 22. I think you got all answers. Now we clear. First you find H. Let us once again for your convenience I am explaining. Some people are not yet are following. First you fix H value, Nana. Right? Then after frequency you can go. Second step, you got maximum frequency. Corresponding fix a model class. In the model class, you can finally have L value. So L also clear. And after that, sigma Fi you can do add on all these things. You are going to get N value. The pending is CF. For CF, please make a cumulative frequency table. I told you how to do it. Starting you write asterisk, then after adding for next term, you can write like this you write. After this cumulative frequency, corresponding maximum frequency is there, then top you can take previous one. That is the cumulative frequency. You can say generally we are telling the peak cumulative frequency you can call it. Just you can write cumulative frequency. You can easily add CF you can take. So all values 0. Now let us you can substitute in the formula. Now we are going to get answer. Median L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is the value of L? I think you know what is the value of L now? 125 is the L value. Plus n means how much you write? N is 68. 68 by 2. What's the cumulative frequency you got? 22. Right, what is the frequency you got? It is 20. Into class height, how much you got? So class height, how much you got? 20. Class height. So this is the case. So 125 plus 68 by 2, it's a 34 minus 22 by 20 into 20. So 125 plus 34 minus 22. How much you are going to get? 2 to the x 2, 12 you're going to get, right? 20 into 20. Simple, you cancel these 4 here only. Simple 12. 125 plus 2. 12. Answer is 137. And this is the way you can get median constant for a given problem. Just write the formula, correspond, take the question, you'll get answer. So this is what you has to go get median for a given questions. I think it's very simple way I was explained. It is for more. Nothing is tough here. So KSP Academy will place major on the fundamental things. So this is a major. Just remember the formula. The terms will come within seconds. So to get more understanding, please solve your own way. Number of problems, more numbers, you get understanding. Please, any doubt in this, please make a comment on the comment box. What you feel after listening my video. So you will get more updates for this. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please continue for more videos to understand. Thank you.